My name is Mustafa Kabul. I'm a principal data scientist in machine learning and AI division SAS. I work on applications of deep learning. Currently, I'm focusing on reinforcement learning algorithms, and I like to optimize stuff. My background is in optimization.
That's great. And
my name is Cairns. I'm a principal machine learning developer at SAS. My primary focus right now is speech recognition, but I'm part of the deep learning team, and we're working on all sorts of different deep neural networks.
Frederick, what are some of the new modules that you were working on in the new machine learning within SAS?
I think we should talk about deep learning technology that has been put recently to machine learning and machine learning software at SAS. Primarily, now you can train deep neural networks, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and you can even import some of those models from open source data. So we provide you functionality, that open functionality that you can interface with our new VIA platform through other programming languages like Python, R, and so now we're enabling our users to process images. Sound is coming up. We let you build models with text data, unstructured text data, leveraging recurrent neural network functionality.
I noticed that the VIA and visual analytics has a lot of nice visual GUI tools. What other scripting API like Python and Castle, or what other tools that programmers can use to access these tools?
So like I said, one of the messages VIA has came out with is strong messages is that we're open. You can interface with our server from the language of your like Python or you name it. So, but also we have this new language, ProcSL, that we let our SAS savvy users to interface with this new functionality, new capability. We do the heavy lifting on the server side. You write your functions, you write your algorithms, you implement the way you want, and we provide you this flexibility to shape the product towards the needs of your organization.
Does that allow you to write data set and SAS macros on top of ProcSL?
Exactly. So like ProcSL is like another proc. You can use data step functions with it. You can write your own functions with it. But also on top of that, you can incorporate macro functionality because it's a proc. You can write your SAS procs, traditional SAS macros with it, and you can create your own algorithms with it.
That's great. Now, besides the visual images like a JPEG file, if you were to have a textual report, are your tools able to analyze and create a model for text files as well?
So SAS has visual text mining software. You can do a lot with that. You can build your own. Rules engine and analyze text, sentiment analysis, text categorization, and everything. But on top of that, recurrent neural networks are great for analyzing sequential data. And if you think about it, text is another sequential data. It's got context in it. The words are put in within a grammar structure. They follow certain patterns in them. When you merge those two technologies together with recurrent neural networks, you can easily analyze the sentiment of the text in free form. You can categorize the data. You can categorize your text data. So with VIA recurrent neural network action set, we actually give you great flexibility in terms of inputting text as free form. We do the parsing. We do analyzing your text behind the hood, massaging it so that it can be properly formatted to be input into the recurrent neural networks. So if you are a little bit familiar about it, working with text data with the open source libraries out there, the functionality we put it there makes your life really easy.
That's great. As new SAS programmers, what modules or what area of SAS products do you recommend that the users find out more about to use this technology?
So for new programmers, I would first go with what language are you comfortable with. So if you like Python, you might want to start with our Python interface. If you like R, or if you like Lua, or whatever it may be, start there and investigate what we have in terms of the tools that are available for that language. And typically what we provide is an interface so that you can call our underlying actions and action sets and do a lot of powerful things. So if you like scripting in Python, script away. Just make sure you call our stuff in the process.
Great. But thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.